Hey guys, this is Caleb back with a how-to video for you. I am in a 2023 Buick Envision Avenir. I want to show you this self-parking assist. We'll press the button. You'll get this display. You got parallel or perpendicular for the right or left. So I want a perpendicular park on my left here as I have some vehicles on the side. We're going to pull the D for drive and slowly creep forward as the vehicle finds a spot to park next to. And as we slowly creep forward, coming to a stop and shift to reverse, continuing to keep a hold of the brake until it allows you to do so. And again, make sure you're ready for brake just in case it gets super close to a vehicle and you're worried just a little bit. So I'm going to brake because I don't want it to hit it. Again, continuing, and then it is going to self-shift gears and drive for you. And you're getting a progress meter as the steering wheel turns by itself, backing up into a proper parking space. Get in. It is doing it all by itself. I'm not touching it. But then shifting gears, front position, press the brake, and parking is complete. Check that out. You got your self-parking assist. And again, always come back for another how-to video. It's Caleb, your friend the car business. I'll see y'all soon.